view. They have coconuts for sale. I love that for us. That's amazing. You get an iced version. In this video, we leave Vietnam to fly to Abu Dhabi. Good morning. Unfortunately, really sad to say, it's our last day here at the Dusit Princess Hotel in Phu Quoc, Vietnam. Come fly with us as we go now to Bangkok. Well, everything's packed, look. Oh, and I'm very coordinated here today. Very sad to leave this amazing resort. It's just been best day. We've been relaxed. Doesn't really even matter too much about this weather today, although it is absolutely cooking up a storm out there. So we're going back to Thailand. I mean, that could be worse, right? We're going back to Thailand. We're going to stay in Bangkok for a night, and then we're going off to Abu Dhabi. And very excited for all of that, but not really ready to leave here. But also don't feel like crying sad, but it is a bit sad, and we've bonded so much with our lovely friends as well, more than before. So yeah, it's time to go. We flew with Vietjetair from Phu Quoc over to Bangkok.
I look at you, you make me blind.
It was quite an expensive return trip because it's the only way that you can get across there from Bangkok. So we are through security. It's time to look at these pearls. Look, they're gorgeous, Jasmine.
Oh, look at those, like the bamboo rings.
Oh yeah, nice. Lovely. So look at the rain outside. We've got to fly through that. That's going to be interesting. But the other thing that's interesting is I've just seen in the fridge, they have coconuts for sale. How often do you see that? We're just going to get a bottle of water. Sure, somewhere in the tropics. So there is a little duty-free shop, but it's mostly alcohol and cigarettes and things. We're going to go to our gate probably, I think, now. This is the plane that we got on. Do you know, I've got one regret. I really wish I bought one of those pearls. Anyway, boarding the plane, the staff were in such cute uniforms. Hello, good morning. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice flight, sir.
I'm losing my mind.
We took off in the storm, but the flight was actually fine, and it was just about an hour's trip.
I could tell you every time when you're passing me by.
We landed in Bangkok to hot and sunny weather. Vietjetair. So now we've got to get on this train, which we got on before, to get to the other part. It's so exciting. I didn't think it was going to go that way. So we just very sadly said goodbye to all our friends. So we're just going through customs now. Quick pop into Boots, then go find our new hotel. So we're just trying to find a Boots so we can top up on our stuff like face creams, and I need some cleanser and stuff like that, shampoo, conditioner, and then we're going to go to our hotel, which we think is across that way, but we're not too sure. Look how crazy Bangkok is after the calmness of Phu Quoc. I see Starbucks.
If I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stopped breathing.
Okay, so we're not completely sure where to find our hotel. We're trying this way. The map's kind of being a little bit misleading. It's got a bit of lag as well, which is not great, but yeah.
In 90 yards, bear right.
We need to find a swimming pool. We just found out our friends are also staying here, our friends from Australia. So that's interesting. We can catch up with them. So we have found it. Well done, Jasmine, following her nose. It looks really huge hotel. Not quite what we've been used to the last few days. Keep over, babe. But I'm excited to get in here and get settled. There's a 7-Eleven just across the way, so it might be time to get some snacks and drinks in there. Wow, look at this. This is looking amazing. Very excited, very quiet. Okay, this is our hotel. Let's have a look. Oh, that looks nice. I like the desk. Look at this. We've got a coffee machine, an espresso coffee machine. Love that. The telly, big old bed. If it's anything like the other beds, yeah, that feels well comfy. Oh my God, we got a view. Jasmine, there's the pool view.
Oh, no way.
Look.
Oh, that looks amazing.
There's a swim up bar. Right, let's get our cozies on. Okay, quick room tour of the Novotel in Bangkok, the airport hotel. This is the bath. There is a bath. They've got some nice flannels, water for us as well, and all this stuff like hand wash, body lotion, shower, cat vanity, toothpaste, hairdryer, mirror, phone in case you need to phone someone while you're on the toilet, single shower, full length mirror, gorgeous room. Absolutely gorgeous room. So there's telly. I don't know what's under there. We haven't seen them yet. We've got an espresso coffee machine. Oh, it's Illy as well, Jazz. My favourite. Really nice lighting and an amazing view out of the window. So we're ready for the pool. Got the pool outfit on. We're going to go down there's a swim up bar, maybe get some snacks. Not too sure. But yeah, I just really want to just chill by the pool right now. And it's a pretty cloudy day, but it's still very hot and very nice. It's also weird to believe that we're going to be in Abu Dhabi tomorrow, and I think it's going to be a bit full on. It's going to be a bit crazy, so make the most of the chill time here. Oh, I say, this feels so nice. Very hot, but very nice. Sun's out, guns out. You want to sit in the sun?
Don't mind, what do you want to
Yeah,
say?
come on. Oh, it's more sunny outside, bless you. So we've just ordered a little dessert. And Jasmine's is not so little, but it looks delicious. Definitely not so little. I'm going to sit here and eat it. It's just incredible. Well, I'm flip-flopping my way back to the room because I didn't bring anywhere near enough money. Oh, I'm so excited for a coffee. It smells so good. But look at this cute little box, look. With the Novotel sign on it, and you've got all these bits and pieces in here, your coffees and your teas. I thought that's how I know. Yeah, this is a really nice brand of coffee. I had this, do you remember when we went to Menorca? Really enjoyed that. It's absolutely lush. Well, we've had the most relaxing afternoon. We've just showered, bathed, changed. No makeup going on, and we're going to go to a 7-Eleven because we like them, don't we?
We do.
And we're also going to go into the airport. We've had a little look on TikTok. It's so handy for that. And we found a place called, what did I say it's called now? Magic something. And it's like an indoor street food market type of thing. I'm hoping for some pad thai because I've decided I really like pad thai and I didn't know it's gluten-free, but it is. Well, the noodles are. It really depends how it's cooked as to whether it is or not. But yeah, so we're going to go off there now.
It depends which noodles they decide to cook it with. I don't know if there's only one type.
Yeah, that's
all
the
the ones
point.
we've had have been rice noodles.
Yeah, we've had rice noodles. Do you know which way it is? I keep getting lost. And maybe get some snacks. And then come back
tomorrow,
from...
the next couple of days are going to be quite busy, so I think to get some snacks might be a good idea. So
Definitely.
then we're stocked up, we could just go.
Yeah, definitely. It feels really quiet now. It's just the two of us as well, don't you think?
Really quiet. Yeah,
It's missing all our friends, obviously. But
I think
we'll...
everyone's probably getting a little bit tired, but it's probably
Yeah,
probably
we
good
are.
timing. But you never want it to end, do you?
Yeah, no, we are all quite tired. But
Not tired of each other, just physically tired.
yeah, it's been a lot, but it's been just the best, honestly the best. So yeah, let's go find some food. Okay, so we made our way inside of the airport now, and down here it said there's a food court. So we're going to head down here and see what we got. The other place was outside in the car park, but that closes at 7. So there's another one down here, and it literally looks like a canteen. So let's go find that, see what we can get. I fancy a pad thai. So this is it. This is what we're going to go look at. Should be interesting. It's busy, a bit chaos. Oh, this is interesting. Look. Sushi. That one's closed. Oh, I love this. Yeah, it literally does feel like street food. Does it not? I'll tell you where we are in a minute, but I just want to show you this. These are contact lenses. You can just buy it off the shelf. How crazy is that? Right, you'll probably know by that noise. We are in 7-Eleven. We decided against the food market. And we're going to eat in the restaurant, but we come for a few snacks. They're like my favourites, those macaroon things that I found. Did you want any toasty, Jasmine, or anything?
No, not particularly.
No toasty. I've got to show you this other thing you do in 7-Eleven. So you come in 7-Eleven, you choose your cup, you choose your beverage of choice. I would choose a 3-in-1. You put it in your cup, fill it up with hot water, and you go and pay. Or you get an iced version, and there's an ice machine. It's just such a convenient thing. Why do we not do this at home? But honestly, and it's cheap. It's cheap as chips. Well, it's not cheap as iced coffee, really. And you can also sit there and take yourself out for a meal. Look, toasty and iced coffee, boom. So after much deliberation, dinner's finally here. I have got some fried rice with pork, just keeping it safe. Jazz has got noodle soup and what was that called?
Duck noodle soup.
Noodle soup duck. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. I can't even speak. We need to get some rest. Good morning from our final night in Bangkok. Can you believe it? So today we are off to Abu Dhabi. We are so excited. We are dressed all differently. Unfortunately, it's pouring rain. So this coat that you might have seen me get on Amazon is making an appearance. We're just about to leave. It's 20 to 7 in the morning. Our plan was to leave at 6:30, so not too bad. 10-minute contingency. Hopefully.
Sorry, I'm just on here on the floor and luckily I'm thinking.
Oh no, that's fine. So yeah, she's doing the thing that you do. You're getting your bag ready. So we'll see you at the airport.
Feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine.
We are checked in, hooray. We need passports, hang on. So it's goodbye Bangkok, it's goodbye Thailand, on to the next adventure. It's all going really well. So economy, they said, is really quiet. It's been throwing down with rain, but the sun shone as we got out of the shuttle bus. So yeah, it's all going very, very well. I think this might be, I've got to put my phone away now. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, we're through security in super quick time. Last time I was here, do you remember we was here with all of our friends and we're missing them right now. I also remembered that this is where I got my mango sticky rice and just was like, do you want that? I was like, yeah, can I have that for breakfast? So that's kind of like a pudding really, isn't it? But yeah, I'm a bit peckish and I know that I'm okay with that, so I'd rather eat that in case the breakfast is dodgy.
Yeah, true.
But yeah, so we're flying Etihad again. We've got about 6.5 hours, I think, to Abu Dhabi. Then I think we can get on a bus just using our boarding pass. So they've got a really good partnership thing going on there. So excited for that. We were flying with Etihad from Bangkok over to Abu Dhabi. It was about a 6-hour flight, something along those lines. So I enjoyed my mango sticky rice before we started to board the Etihad plane. The second leg of our flight took us on the Airbus A380. Make sure that you've subscribed and you don't want to miss that. Okay, it's time to start boarding. I'm very excited. Really excited for this flight. It's queuing in the tunnel bit.
I fall in love. There's something.
So we boarded the plane, had a quick chance to have a quick look at the business class seats on the way through.
And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love.
So make sure you come back to see what Abu Dhabi was all about. It was incredible. We went to Seoul Beach, we went to the Etihad Towers, and we saw the Grand Mosque. It was absolutely breathtaking. We will see you in that next video. I can't wait to show you this.
I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile.
Oh, this is a big plane. Really big plane. How's this? All right in there.
All of the things that I wish I could tell you every time when you're passing me by. I fall in love. There's